In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Instagram account to your Discord account, so the two are properly linked. To get started, open up Discord on your desktop or in your browser. While this also works on mobile, using the desktop version makes everything easier to see and follow along. Once Discord is open and you're logged into your account, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area with your username and avatar. Click on the small gear icon next to your name. This opens your user settings, which is where you manage all of your personal account options. Inside user settings, look at the menu on the left-hand side. Scroll until you find the section labeled Connections. Go ahead and click on Connections. This page is specifically designed to let you link other services and social media accounts to Discord, so you can show them on your profile or use them with different servers and bots. At the top of the Connections page, you'll see a row of icons for various platforms that you can connect, such as gaming services and social media. Look for the Instagram icon. If you don't see it right away, make sure you scroll horizontally if there's a scroll bar, or maximize your window so all icons are visible. Once you see the Instagram icon, click on it. After you click the Instagram icon, a new window or tab will open, taking you to the official Instagram login page. Here, sign in with your Instagram username and password, or use your connected login method if you normally sign in another way. Make sure you're logging into the correct Instagram account that you want linked to your Discord. Instagram may ask you to confirm that you want to allow Discord to access basic information from your Instagram profile. Read the prompt, and if you're comfortable with it, click the button to authorize or allow access. This step is required so that Discord can verify your account and link it properly. Once you approve the connection, you'll be taken back to Discord automatically, or you can switch back to your Discord window. On the Connections page, you should now see your Instagram account listed. From here, you can choose whether or not to display your Instagram on your Discord profile, and in some cases, whether it shows up on specific servers that support profile connections. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Instagram to your Discord account, making it easier to share your social presence across both platforms.